What a day, and we're back at it again. Looks like markets are extremely volatile today. I've been shorting SOUN. I've been going long on SOUN. As of right now, I'm up 10.9K on the day with an active trade going long that I plan to cover as we hit $14 per share, which is our previous resistance range, or previous support range, which will most likely act as a new resistance range. When it comes down to the big tech that are supposed to be reporting earnings today, Tesla is correcting itself. Doesn't really surprise me, just like we talked about it yesterday. Tesla is going to de-risk today. Microsoft reports earnings today. Microsoft is going to de-risk today. Meta, again, aggressively selling off. It was green during the pre-market session, now beginning to pull on back, showing signs of lower lows, lower highs. The same thing with Nvidia, lower highs, lower lows. There's not new lows that are being made from the lows that we made 2 days ago, but nonetheless, again, markets are still showing signs of fear. And it makes sense because, again, today we have a very interesting day. For those that do not know what today is, today we have the FOMC rate decision where the Federal Reserve is expected to not offer any rate cut. The Federal Reserve, or the stock market, really wanted an early rate cut in 2025. It looks like they're not going to get it. And we will see how Jerome Powell actually speaks during this meeting, because a lot of people don't know. They think that, okay, it's just going to be a rate decision. No. 30 minutes after, he goes live and he answers questions from analysts. This is where I will go live on my YouTube channel, and you guys absolutely killed it on my video yesterday by smashing that like button and by subscribing. So I'm more than happy to go live at 2 p.m. Eastern time, which is when the announcement for the rate decision is going to be announced. But also 30 minutes after, Jerome Powell is going to go live and answer questions, and I'm going to be watching that live with you guys. And all you need to do is stay subscribed to the channel. So as of right now, we are waiting to see for the market to react first for that FOMC rate decision. Second, for Jerome Powell to answer analyst questions and how he answers it. And then third, big tech reporting earnings after the market closes, such as Meta, Tesla, and Microsoft. So again, a lot is happening today, a lot of different moving parts. So one thing that I'm going to make sure that I do is I'm going to close out my trades before the Fed meeting, because I do not want to be caught on the wrong side of a trade if markets quickly shift direction. I want to be able to go short if markets sell off. I want to be able to go long if markets begin to skyrocket. And the only way that I'm able to do that is by staying cash prior to this announcement. So very excited to follow up. Just wanted to go live very, very quickly, make you guys aware of the game plan. And again, all you literally need to do is subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you drop a thumbs up on this video. I appreciate your time. I'll see you guys at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.